Hello guys, welcome to WunderTrading. Quite a lot of new traders, when they start their trading automation journey, ask us about how to code if I don't have any coding knowledge, how to write a Python script strategy if I have zero experience in that. And today we want to bring you the solution. It's called LuxAlgo Quant. This is the AI which is deeply integrated with the Python script. So now you will not have to write any line of codes. You can just talk to the AI just as a friend and he will deliver the results that you can easily check. But let's go one step further. So once we create the idea, we're going to convert this into the TradingView strategy so we can backtest it because it's extremely important. And then we're going to use WunderTrading to create a fully automated trading bot. So let's dive into this. First thing that we'll start from is that we're going to launch Quant. You have a very typical interface, just a chat box, but what's interesting is that what if you don't even have an idea of where to start in terms of your indicator or what trading opportunities you are looking for? You can actually ask Quant to search for trending scripts, and that's exactly what we're going to start from. So just bring us the top 5 trending scripts. Okay, a small summary of the top 5. Let's be very simple and go for the first one. Let's go into the TradingView and identify this indicator. Here it is. Apply it to the chart. Okay, so now we have an indicator which will have the entry signals, buys and sells. It will have the take profits and stop loss even. Okay, that looks nice. The table will also give you some analysis. It seems like even a win rate is over here. Okay, so it looks nice. As an indicator, it looks nice, starting from scratch. But if we want to know a little bit more about this particular indicator, once again, let's ask Quant. So, explain what the first indicator is all about in simple English. So let's see while the Quant is thinking. Okay, so now it gives me the summary of what it is and how it works. Okay, that's good. I assume you can ask even more questions about the indicator, be more specific, try to understand how it works, because it probably seems that the indicator has quite a lot of settings inside which you can toggle, but the main task is obviously to convert this indicator into the strategy, so we will be able to actually backtest the results, because it looks pretty, but does it do the job? Let's see. So we're gonna ask Quant to now convert this indicator into the strategy script. Let's see if Quant will handle this. It can take slightly longer in terms of the time, but eventually it's supposed to provide you with the exact code that we're gonna just copy and paste into the TradingView. But I need to say that this first indicator, just straight from the top, looks quite nice. It seems like on the trending markets it can be quite profitable. You will probably need to toggle with the parameters if you want to optimize it better. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. We have this strategy here. Okay, that looks nice. Very structured, very clear. Okay, let's just copy it and go into the Python script. Just paste the whole chunk of code here and apply it. Okay, now we have the backtest. First thing to start with is let's just compare that the entry points are exactly the same. So, the green label is where the indicator said that it's formed the signal and the actual trade opens at the beginning of the next one. So yes, that's right. Okay, let's see. This one is fine, short is fine. Well, it seems like it's doing its job. It's exactly the same as the indicator. Okay, let's look at the backtest results. Well, not so good, not profitable, but keep in mind that this is a very first indicator that we took and just converted this into the strategy. So let's see if we can improve it in any case. Okay, so we're gonna go into the strategy now. We have the presets here, so maybe the presets will actually change the results. Let's look at the crypto preset. And once again, wow, now it's much better. So we just changed the preset and it's already positive. Okay, that's a good start. That's a very promising start. As I mentioned, you can toggle this quiet for a while to make sure that you really like the results, but make sure you don't overfeed the model. And then the last step would be to create the actual bot. And for this, we will need to go to WunderTrading. So if we go to the WunderTrading dashboard, and then we're gonna open the signal bot, because this is the type of the bots that are receiving signals from any sources, including TradingView. So we're gonna go to the signal bot, and then we're gonna create the new bot. And over here, because we already created the TradingView strategy, we just need to select the TradingView strategy. At the same time, what we need to do is we need to select the API, and we need to select the pair. For us, it was Bitcoin, so we're gonna use BTC USDT. Okay, and now we can create the bot. The next step is to create the webhook alert and to paste this chunk of code into the TradingView alert. So let's do that step by step. Number one is we're gonna go to the newly created strategy, add the alert, and then in the webhook notification, we're gonna put the webhook notification. Okay, we're gonna apply that. Now we need the message, and the message need to be just this block of code that we already provide to you. So you just copy and paste this. You can give it any name you want. LuxAlgo Quant. Okay, now we have it. Apply. And for the interval, it's the same as chart. It's 1 day. It's an open-ended one. That's pretty much it. Just click create. You need to make sure that the alert was created. Here it is, LuxAlgo Quant. And as soon as the new order will be open, the alert will be sent. Here we press that to save the alert, and you're gonna receive the alert in your signal bot, and it will be converted into the trading strategy on the chosen exchange. And that's pretty much it. So it took us about 10 minutes to go from point zero, where we didn't even have the idea of what we're gonna do, into the fully automated trading strategy using LuxAlgo Quant and WunderTrading. The best piece of advice at the end would be all the time start testing your strategies using the demo account. This is a much safer option for you to test out all the theories and possibilities that you want. But at the end, make sure that you trade safely with stop losses and risk management, and best of luck with your trading.